Welcome to the all-new Park Street Training and Development Portal. We've completely rebuilt your learning experience into one sleek central hub. Let's take a look. Right at the top is the Announcements Hub, your direct feed to all our latest updates and course drops. But we'll circle back to that in a bit. Just below that is our continuously developing AI curriculum. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we work, and our team is constantly building new resources to help you lead the charge. Dive into these foundational courses to start supercharging your daily workflow. Short on time? Learning on Tap is now front and center, with your favorite quick shots and slow pours embedded right on the landing page. If you need a rapid-fire tech hack, hit a quick shot. Ready for a 2-minute slow pour capsule? Hit play to get the key takeaways, or jump straight into the full course using the link in the YouTube description. It's instant access with zero friction. Keep scrolling to find our core essential courses. We've actually completely revamped and modernized these foundational modules, making them highly worth a revisit to keep your skills razor sharp. Right next door are the Navigator and Platform Guides, perfect for quickly brushing up on our proprietary tools or grabbing a step-by-step tutorial you can share directly with a supplier. Down at the base is the Training Directory, where you can easily browse the full catalog or request dedicated team support. All right, now onto our all-new Announcements Hub. This is a clean, easy-to-navigate feed of every single T&D update and course release. Skip digging through your inbox. If it's out there, it's right here. And finally, the new Upcoming Releases tab. We are officially pulling back the curtain so you can look weeks into the future, preview our exact pipeline, and plan your training journey before a course even drops. Sleek, fast, and built for your growth. Bookmark the page and welcome to your new one-stop shop. We'll see you inside.